Greetings, you guys. Oh my goodness. I'm going straight to the point because I've done this 3 times and it did not act right. So welcome, welcome, welcome. I want to share right quick some important updates that IRS is being very, very meticulous and scrutinizing tax returns like never before, especially to self-employed individuals. Okay. Now, first announcement, I want to give you guys an opportunity to meet ERVIN Management Group businesses that have received our services and provided them business solutions on Saturday, January 22nd at 8:30 p.m. It's a very, very impromptu meeting and also a fellowship and networking. I want my other business owners to get to know who their colleagues are and probably can provide services within each other. And my whole mission for this year and forward, that I want the businesses to grow and become united in the economic and financial realm in business. You know, we have the same mindset of growth. Some don't, some do, some beginners, some more immediate business owners. But when you get to see and hear the different challenges that businesses go through, then those that just jumping on board that say, oh, I want to start a business. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna quit my job and start my business. No, you wanna keep your job for a couple of more years, because it's tasking to literally maintain your business, because you got to remember, you doing everything. Okay, so because of that, if you don't have that passion for what you want to do, you will get burned out and you probably just quit. And no, 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 no. Father don't want you to quit, because he have given everyone a gift and a talent. And he said in his word that your gift that I've given you will make room for you. So that means that whatever that passion that you really have, that you can do it for free no matter what, but yet God wants you to prosper with that gift. So I want to invite you guys to register for this Saturday. I'm going to have the link at the bottom of this video, okay? And mainly my VIPs, I want you guys to come on in, my ERVIN Management Group clients, especially those that have businesses. I want y'all to come on in. This is the opportunity I have been having an open door opportunities for you guys to come on in and not only meet the other business owners, but any other questions or see me face to face digitally, because we're still in a pandemic, you guys. All right. And I want us to know that, hey, we have to readjust to this digital world. And this is part of it. So right quick, go ahead after this video. I want you to go ahead and register, and I get to see you Saturday on the 22nd. So with that, I'm gonna share my screen right quick. I want you guys to know that this is something you need. You need to have this to start your tax return process. There's no way around it. You can fuss and cuss and everything else, but if you don't want your tax return to be delayed as the 2019 tax returns and 2020 tax return, you're going to want to have these documents, all right? You're gonna have to have your advanced child tax credit document, all right? And you're gonna have to have that stimulus payment document, all right? And I've been through this here once before. You're gonna go right here to irs.gov. This is the home page, okay? You're gonna go here. You're gonna click on the child tax credit portal, all right? Or your account. If you have an account set up, you go here, all right? And you sign into your account. Now, if you don't have an account, you can create an account, right here, id.me. When you go and create that account, you have to verify who you are by some questions they probably upload from almost 10, 15 years ago. And sorry to say, you might have forgotten some of them old addresses where you used to live, or old telephone numbers, or old vehicles. But just try to take your time. They're going to give you at least 2 times and then they're going to lock you out. Okay. So you want to take your time and answer those identity questions. And when you pass that test, identity test, it's going to send you a passcode through the email you set up your account with, and then you can go back in. And when you go back in here, you'll be able to see, I already have my stuff set up here, okay? And so once I go in here, they're going to ask you a password. Once they give you the password, then they're going to send me a code to verify that this is me entering into my own account. They're going to send me the code, right? I'm going to go in. That code don't last no more than, let me see. It's not going to last no more than, I think, like 10 seconds. And then it's going to tell you, you got to redo it. All right. And so once I do that, I press continue, and then I have access to my account. All right. Now it's going to show me how many times I got in. Yeah, as you see, I've been in here twice. Why? Because my videos have not uploaded. So this is my 3rd video I'm doing. It's going to have the name on your account balance. It's going to show if you owe anything. Each year, you see I don't owe any taxes. I practice what I preach. I pay all my taxes. I have payment options I can set up, payment activities. Okay. This here I had to pay. That was my taxes I had to pay for my business. You see, Dr. D, I just don't preach stuff, y'all. I practice what I preach. Okay, it shows different summary. I mean, this don't matter to me. It don't matter. So my economic payment, see right here for 2021, I just got the $1,400. That's my payment. See, it's there. That's the 3rd payment. You're gonna need that form, all right? For 2020, I just received the 2 that Trump released, the 1,200 and the 600. You see how easy that is? All right, you go there, all right? And now you wanna go up for the child tax credit portal, all right? So you go to the child tax credit portal, boom. I don't have children underneath 17 years old, so I didn't receive none of that money. Oh my gosh. They have some individuals had some serious money, and I just pray, even though I know they didn't, but majority of the individuals that was parents, I pray that y'all use that money wisely and save up something or do something for the children. That was for the children, okay? So I don't have anything, but you will see process payments. You're gonna go right here, and it's gonna have your payments that was sent to you, like you just saw on the economic payments for myself. All right, you're gonna see that. All right, and so what you do, screenshot it or print it out. If you have not received the 2 letters from IRS, these are the most important 2 letters that you need to attach to that tax return for this year. Okay, for them not to hold up your tax return. Now, let me tell you something. They still have an opportunity for you to glean from your 2019 tax return if your earned income credit is lower this year than last year. Guess what, you guys? They're going to use the 2019 earned income credit. So some individuals are having an awesome shout out. You know, they will be able to, I can log out now, but y'all saw what I was showing you guys. Very easy process. Always go to irs.gov. Anything with the government, it always end with G-O-V. Remember that. Say that with me. G-O-V. Okay. No slash, unless once you go into their portal and it takes you other places. But to start off with, everything with the government ends with .gov, okay? So I'm just trying to let you guys know that'll avoid you being attached to scams and giving you information thinking that you're registering with IRS or any government organization, and you're really giving all your information to the wrong people. All right. So I know that was fast, but I want you guys to understand that they have benefits for this year that you can receive on your tax return, but you have to have the accurate amounts. All right. You have to have the accurate amounts for your stimulus and for your child tax payments. Now, also for the business owners, I should have showed y'all something for the business owners for IRS. But you know what? I probably can go in more details with that for you guys on Saturday. All right. But for business owners, okay, you have to make sure that you have all your expenses. All right. You have to have everything documented. You have to make sure you have your income structure properly. Okay. Some of you guys have vendors. Some of you guys pay people by cash. Okay. You have to start allocating that on a form. You have to start issuing out 1099s to these individuals, and you have to receive a W-9 from them. Yes, that's all part of the financial documents that you need as accounts receivables and accounts payables. And that's what ERVIN Management in here is here to do, to help my sole proprietors, my small businesses, to structure your business properly. All right. This is the services that we allocate to our individuals. Now, for those that just have a straight 1040 tax return, okay, that's all it is, a straight 40 tax return, but you still need those 2 documents. All right. Now, if you need to itemize anything, I'm gonna do a whole nother video on that, so it won't be so overwhelming. You know, I'm gonna go through each part of that tax, that 1040 for you on different segments as we go along. Okay, IRS opens up January 24th, that's next week. However, they won't start processing the refunds until February. I think it's 14th, or they might have pushed it back to the 18th. Okay, if you have any of the earned income credit, child tax credits on there, any college credits, any refundable credits, advanced tax credits, okay, any of the 5 refundable credits that you have on your tax return, those won't be processed until after February 15th. Then you start counting 21 days with, if no error, no rejects or anything, within 21 days, you receive your refund to the bank account of your choice. And make sure you have your accurate bank account number and your accurate routing number. If any one of those numbers are missing or a number is added, that refund will be rejected. It will go back to IRS, and we already know what's going to happen with that. They will send you a check, but it has to go through the process. So you probably be waiting another 4 to 8 weeks before you can receive your refund. Okay, so I'm going to strive to make sure through this tax season to share every little thing that can alleviate delays for your refund because of the already delay from 2019 and 2020. All right, so I'm Dr. D with ERVIN Management Group, your executive manager, and I'm always here to serve my sole proprietors in faith-based organization with those 501Cs. Oh, that's a whole nother YouTube I have to do with the 501C. You have to file your tax returns too, but you have a different form that you have to fill out. And we forget to do those forms, and we just going on with our organization. And 2 to 3 years later, we have an opportunity for some money. And I'm only sharing what happened with some organization I know. And when they submitted the information and they went checked it in the portal, because it's public records, they say that it was revoked. They did not have an active 501c nonprofit recognition. And so they had to go and get all that stuff straight. And it cost them almost about $30,000. So I don't want you to lose out on money. We here at ERVIN Management Group, we want to make sure that you not only gain all the money that's due to you, but make sure that your business prosper and look healthy and vibrant on paper. Okay, God bless you, and I appreciate you guys. Subscribe to the channel, okay? Hit the notification bell and share it. Share this video to somebody that you need, okay? And until next time, I'll see you later.